So friends, today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a game pass in Roblox. Guys, watch the video till the end. First of all, go to roblox.com and it will take you to the login page first, and then you just need to log in with your ID and click. Now once you reach this home page, you just need to click on this create tab. Once you're here, guys, you just need to click on this by default experience. Click on it, and now you just need to click on menu button here if you are on a phone, and automatically open here. Just click on this associated items, and now to create a game pass, click on this passes option here, and now to create a game pass, you just need to click on this create a pass. Now after the update, guys, the interface has changed, so you just need to make sure you don't have to upload the image here. The by default image will be used. Now you can enter the price here or enter the name of the game pass. So I'm gonna name it as first pass, and now you can enter the description of the game pass, but it is also now not compulsory. So you can leave it as empty, and now you need to click on this create a pass button. Once you create a game pass, guys, it is not done yet. So if you want to add it to the please donate to earn free Robux, you need to click on this newly created game pass, and now you have to click on this. If you are on the phone, you have to click on the menu button. If you're on PC, you just need to click on this sales option and just enable this option here. And now you have to enter the cost of the or price in Roblox of the game pass. So I'm gonna enter as 600, and now need to click on this save changes. Once you click on here, your game pass has been set up for the please donate. Now you just need to now open up your Roblox player and just add this game pass as a donation button in please donate. Fine, so that's how you can do it. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching.